What if I told you some of the most highest earning videos on YouTube channel, some of the most viral videos on this platform are created by people you have never seen? No face, no camera, no influence, no studio setup, yet they keep viewers watching till the very end. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create high retention YouTube videos without showing your face, even if you are just starting out. So if you want people to click, stay and watch till the very last second. Don't skip this video because the most important tip is coming later. Now let's look at why faceless videos actually work. Let's clear something up first. Showing your face is not what creates retention. Retention comes from curiosity, emotion and flow. Think of it about audiobooks, documentaries, animated stories, motivational videos, Reddit stories, gameplay videos, and explainer videos. Most of them don't show faces, yet people watch for 20, 30, or even 60 minutes straight. Why is it so? Because the brain doesn't care about your face. It cares about what happened next. What will I learn? How will this end? And once you understand that creating faceless content becomes a superpower. Now, let's look at the number of one retention killer. Before I show you what works, let me tell you what skills retention instantly. The biggest mistake faceless creators make is this: talking without showing anything interesting. A static image, a boring screen, slow delivery. If your visual and pacing don't change, viewers leave even if your message is good. So from now on, remember this rule: every 3 to 5 seconds something must change. That's how you beat low retention. Now let's look at the perfect faceless video. Let me break down a high retention structure so you can use for any niche. Number one, the curiosity hook. Start with, "Hi guys, welcome back to my channel." Instead, start with curiosity or example or retention. For example, most people fail on YouTube because of this one mistake. If your videos don't hold retention, this is why. This strategy took my retention from 30 to over 60%. Make the viewers think, "I need to hear this." They promise. Next 10 seconds, tell them exactly what they will gain. For example, by the end of this video, you will know how to create videos people can't stop watching without showing your face. This gives viewers a reason to stay. Open a loop, very important. Say something like, and later in this video I will show you the simplest retention trick that even big creators use. Now, the brain wants closure, so they keep watching. Now let's look at what to show on the screen. If you are not showing your face, your visual must do the talking. Here are powerful faceless visual you can rotate. Stock images, for example, people, cities, emotions. Animals, text and captions. Slide with emotions, images with zoom and pan. Gameplay footage, AI generated visuals. Never let screen feel dead. Add zoom in, zoom out, blur transition, text highlight, subtitle movement. Also add movement and rotation. Now let's talk about the secret weapon. The eyes, the voice delivery. Your voices replace your face, so speak like a human, not a robot. Bad example. In this video I will be explaining how retention works. Good example. Let me tell you something most people don't realize. Use pauses, presses and volume changes. Talk like you are referring to one person, not a crowd. If you are shy, you can record in a quiet room. Use a basic mic or phone, or even use AI voices, but make it natural. Now let's look at the 3 to 5 second rule. Here, a retention rule you should never forget. Change something every 3 to 5 seconds. This could be a clip, a new text, sound effect, zoom, music shift, question on screen. Even small changes reset attention. They look at questions keep people watching. So ask questions, but don't wait for answers. If you notice these two, like for example, have you noticed these two? What would you do in this situation? But here is the real question. Questions activate the viewer's brain, and an active brain don't click away. Now let's talk about storytelling without showing your face. Stories are retention machine. Use this simple flow, problem, struggles, turning point, lesson. Here is an example. I used to post videos that people click and shift after 20 seconds until I change one thing. Even if it's your personal story, tell it like one. Now, add music and sound effects. Silence kills energy. Use soft background music. Rise music during important points. Drop before key statements, but don't man over the voice. Music should support and not distract. And the ending part. So your ending with high retention. Never end bluntly. Before the ending, summarize briefly. This is the next video. Give a reason to subscribe. Like for example, if you want to master faceless content, a next video will change how you create video forever and strong. So the final motivation you are to give to your viewers: you don't need confidence on camera, you don't need expensive gear, you don't need to show your face. What you need is strategy, flow, curiosity, consistency. Master this and your faceless videos can perform, and your out perform video with faces. If okay, right, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.